How would you like to pocket $200 to $500 per month per client offering this super simple service I'm about to share with you? See, a lot of local small businesses simply don't have the time to answer everyone's questions, especially if they're a one-man band or one-man army, or I think you get the idea. However, by being able to do so, it can turn a lost lead into a paying customer or client. And that's where good old ChatGPT comes in handy. So rather than the owner spending their own precious time going back and forth with a lead via SMS text messaging, why not deploy a chatbot that can do the same exact thing without wasting any time whatsoever? And more importantly, any money for an assistant or secretary to do that repetitive task. That's where you come in. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. One of the best moves you can make is to AIify your agency specifically for local small businesses who desperately need your help. And one of the best services you can offer to make money with AI is to offer something called AI Chat Q&A. It's super easy to do. Let me show you step by step how it works.
Okay, so I just did a phone call to Google Business Profile that's attached to this instance of our HighLevel account where we have missed call text back set up to send out this message here that says, "Hi, this is Odin Home Inspections. We saw we just missed your call. How can we help?" And then it says, if you prefer not to text, you can reply out at any time. So it'll basically set the do not disturb for SMS. So we won't dare text them again if they don't want to be texted. After this, if we say anything, it'll trigger another response. So we can say something like, "I have a few questions," or something. It doesn't really matter. Whatever's said here doesn't make any difference. The next message is going to come exactly the same. It says, "Hi, this is Sarah from Odin Home Inspections. Thanks for your reply. Do you have any questions?" And if I ask a question now, any question, it'll answer it. So if I say, "How is Odin different from its competitors?" Now this question is going out now to ChatGPT and will be given an answer based on the information it has about this particular business and home inspection businesses in general. It'll also take a couple seconds for this answer to come back, likely because it'll be a block or a paragraph, and it looks a little more realistic when it does take a little longer because it would take a little bit of time to actually type that out. So it says, "Odin Home Inspections sets itself apart by providing detailed, thorough inspections conducted by a fully certified home inspector who is also a licensed Nevada contractor and a certified home energy inspector. We utilize advanced equipment, including drone and roof inspections and infrared technology, to provide the most accurate findings. We also provide a detailed report on the same day of your inspection. Do you have any further questions?" So then I might ask, where is Odin Home Inspections located? Odin Home Inspection is located in Las Vegas. The specific address is listed on our website. Would you like to know anything else? I might ask, who owns the business and will be inspecting my home? The owner and inspector for your home inspection will be Ryan Gertz. He is highly knowledgeable and treats every inspection as if it were his own home. Do you have any additional questions? At this point, if I were to say something like, "How much do you charge?" Our pricing details can be found directly on our website and gives the URL to the pricing page. Please go through it for a thorough idea of cost. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Can I make an appointment for my inspection? Something like this. Let's see what happens. It says, "Great. Here's a calendar for you to book in a time." So now we have the calendar link to literally click over to and book our appointment for the inspection. If at any point in the conversation you also were to say something like pretty much no to any more questions, then the ChatGPT bot will encourage you to and ask you if you have any idea when you'd like to get your home inspected. And so you can give it a date range, a month, in a couple months, in a month, in October, whatever you want to say. And then it would also bring back a calendar link for you like it shows you right here. So it's pretty powerful stuff, and it's really helpful for solopreneurs specifically, or home service providers similar to this home inspector who is basically all by himself and does not have time to answer a lot of these questions individually because he just doesn't have the time. And this can do answer all those questions for him and basically weed out any tire kickers and people who are just shopping pricing as well, because they're given the information they need in order to make that decision. So it really kind of filters out all of the nonsense and only leaves the folks who are actually fully interested and fully vested in going forward with a home inspection, in this case with this particular home inspector. So it's a very powerful tool, and I think it's a great service to provide a lot of local small businesses, but more specifically local small businesses who can't necessarily get back to the leads that call in as quickly as they'd like, right? And have it automatically follow up like it does. If you like this video and you'd like to help local small businesses do exactly what I showed you, I would highly encourage you to use and take advantage of my HighLevel bonuses package that I have here on the screen in front of you. Right now, the total value of this is about $18,000 or just under that. And of course, you can sign up for a 14-day trial plan if you go through HighLevel, and you can start with a 30-day free trial plan if you go through my brand of HighLevel, which is called Marketing Engines A.I. So you're going to get access to all these amazing bonuses that can do exactly what I just showed you, plus a whole lot more. And I think, you know, it would be amazing if you were to get in there and honestly have a chance to really help local small businesses with all the different functionality, all the different features, all the different benefits that HighLevel is designed to do for local small businesses in general. So you can come to this page. The link is below this video. Scroll through it. There's another video of me talking about this particular bonus package. You can read through this page and see exactly what's all included and why it makes a lot of sense for you to join through my affiliate link and or sign up for Marketing Engines AI in order to gain access to all of these amazing bonuses that will help you end up being able to provide such amazing services to local small businesses just like I showed you in this video. So there you have it. Scroll through that page, take a peek at it, and when you're ready, click any of the sign up buttons. And when you do that, you will then be taken to this pop-up right here. That basically says you can sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which will give you a 30-day free trial, or you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan by clicking this link, or you can extend your free trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan using this link, or you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel SaaS Pro Plan, or you can upgrade to the HighLevel Agency Plan if you're on the Starter Plan using this link, or you can upgrade to the HighLevel SaaS Pro Plan using this link, or you can upgrade to the HighLevel Annual Plan using this link. All of these methods will allow you to get in and get all these bonuses 100% for free. All right, so again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video, as always. And if you have any further questions regarding anything, please let me know by leaving me a comment below this video with your question. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.